So in college, I was on the finance track and did a couple of, investment banking internships in New York City. And I quickly realized that was not for me. I hated being tied to a desk, and I have a lot of energy and creativity, and I felt like I couldn't really explore that in that industry. Real estate seemed like something I would be interested in, and I actually didn't jump there right away. After college, my first job was doing finance in athletics. Despite loving sports, I kind of found that it was the same deal. At that point, I realized I wanted to jump into real estate and give it a shot. So I was still working at my job at the time, and I felt like I wanted to do, an online class as opposed to intensive in person. And I did some Googling research, and Real Estate Express seemed like one of the best options. I've continued to use Real Estate Express for all my continuing education, getting my broker's license. I use Real Estate Express to get my license in California too, because I'm dually licensed. But I thought it was, the learning material was, easy to grasp for me. I felt it was easy to do it from home on my laptop, and it was nice that I had my own time to do it, but I also had to push myself to make sure I was on top of it and continuing to do my studying. What I really love about real estate is you are your own boss. It's up to you how hard you want to work, how successful you want to be. Being able to, create your own business is really valuable and something I really enjoy. Putting my own spin and taste on every deal I do and everyone I work with. I get a lot of calls from friends or friends of friends who are thinking about doing it because they've seen me and seen that I've been pretty successful in my career. I tell people I didn't do my first sale for at least 6 months. If you put in the hard work, it will eventually come, but you also should probably be in the position that you can handle that, because it is a fully commissioned business. The other thing too is I always tell people that it's extremely rewarding and I love it. And if you're willing to commit yourself to it and work hard, you can also be very successful.